Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you that I made a Airbnb scraper that using Python that will scrap all the Airbnb hotel information. And this is a actual project that I made for a client. So if you need this script, let me know. So how I made this script is basically using BeautifulSoup and Playwright because this website is a JavaScript heavy website. That's why I used Playwright to actually mimic just like a human interaction. So I will show you how this works in action. So if I click on here and choose any location, for example Istanbul, and then click on search, we can see we are on this home page, and then you can see 1000 homes, so it will scrape all of it. So now the script, what it will do, it will go to each listing detail page, grab all of the images, all of this information, and then the description, the amenities, and also the top reviews, right? So how to run this, I will show you. I will copy this URL that was generated when I choose the location, and then I will open up my script, right? So if I run the script, so it will say that do you want to paste a new Airbnb URL? I will say yes. I'll click on Y, and then I'll just paste in the URL, and you will see the Playwright window will open up, and then it will start scraping up the information. So you can see it is now detecting how many uh, listings are there. So you can see it is now scraping. I'll show you here. So you can see it's the live indication is showing us that it is actually working and grabbing the details for us. So now I'll stop and show you the results. So I'll pressed Control C, reveal in folder, and I'll open up the file. So you can see the information we are getting, the page URL, name, subtitle, and every other information. We are getting the amenity description, reviews, and also all of the images. So this actually you can use on any Airbnb filter that you can apply and then scrap the data in minutes. So if you like this video, please be sure to connect with me, and thank you for watching.